Hi, welcome to this video on the AI Agent Marketplace for Agent Studio. The AI Agent Marketplace allows you to build use cases in minutes, not months. So let's go over it. So as soon as you go into the developer.moveworks.com website, you'll be greeted with this screen, which is the AI Agent Marketplace. And you can go ahead and explore the marketplace or view all agents. So first, let's explore the marketplace. So we provide you with a wide range of AI agent packs categorized by systems like Workday, ServiceNow, Salesforce, and more. And then we also give you packs for teams, for example, seller productivity, IT, HR, and whatnot. But let's go overview all AI agents to see what do we provide. In this left bar, we provide you with different systems that we currently support. And then on the right side, we show you all the AI agents that you can install. In this case, we're at 708 items. And I will tell you that not all agents are currently installable, but if you see this little badge that says installable, that means that you can go ahead and click on it and then install it. I'm gonna go ahead and then just click on this one, the open jobs for this greenhouse system. We'll give you a quick introduction, the install time, and experience preview. This experience preview shows you how the plugin might look like. In this case, it shows here a user saying what open roles are available for PMs, and it shows you what PM roles we have available. Then at the bottom, we also show you similar plugins that are for this system. And then if we scroll, you can see there's a tab here for about and how to implement. If we press how to implement, it'll give you a rundown on how to implement this plugin on your own. So you can go ahead and check this yourself, or if it's not complete, then just go ahead and install it. So I'm gonna go ahead and install this plugin. I'm pressing this button, press install. It will take me to my Moveworks. So we have multiple tenants at Moveworks, but I'm gonna use my own, which is my KMOG sandbox. And then once that's loaded, you'll be brought up to this web site. So you'll see that it says plugin template, greenhouse, find open jobs. And you should see that we have a template description, all assets here. You can also see the plugin in the marketplace. So I can go back to the marketplace. And then there's some installation steps. So you'll see all assets and then some steps that require some attention. In this case, it says that I need a connector from Greenhouse. So if I press update, I can use an existing connector. And at this time of the recording, you cannot configure a connector from this page, but you will be able to soon. So I can choose my other connector, and it doesn't really matter for purposes of this video. So I'm gonna choose this connector, and I'm gonna press update. Cool. And then if I want, I can view my HTTP action. I can change the name for it, the description, and it's gonna be the same thing for the process and the plugin. So now, once I'm ready, I'm going to go ahead and press save progress. You can go back to it if you don't want to install it now, or press install template. So I'm going to confirm the installation, and it tells me that the use case will not be launched to any users because maybe you wanna do some tweaks to it first. So open the plugin editor. It'll take you to a plugin screen. It'll have some conversational triggers already done for you. And if you want, you can add more that are generated by the AI or your own custom ones. We'll show you that it's connected to the conversational process. It has launch configuration, and then we can go back. And I actually want to see this process. So I'm gonna go to my home, my conversational processes, and find my open jobs. So checking the open jobs plugin, I see that it's an action. It doesn't require any input mappings at this time. It has some logic in the output mapper. And I believe this might be it's not a component action, right? It's just a action here. Let's go to the action, fetch open jobs. And I can see here that it doesn't require any slots at this time. And it should work fine. You could add this as a slot. So that's what I'm saying, you can tweak it. And I can make this as or token slot or input argument rather. It's here. And then go back to my plugin process, and I can go ahead and select this again, fetch open jobs. So board token, and then we can add a whatever here. If you want to hard code it, you can. But if you want to make this into a slot, you can create your own slot and add it as a slot. But yeah, that's how you install a plugin for the marketplace.